Hello, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the ThermoPro Ultra Fast Food Thermometer. Now you say that fast 3 times. Haha. And 3 reasons to get this. Reason number 1, the probe area is made with food grade stainless steel. Well, while for home that may not mean anything to people, if you use this in a commercial situation, that's going to be one thing that's going to put the health inspector's mind at ease, because that's food grades. It's a little purer type of stainless steel. For home, that just means basically it's one less thing to worry about. It's not going to rust. Just as long as you take care of it, you're going to be fine. Reason number 2, it's an easy to read backlit display. Now once you have it on, the backlight will come on for just a few seconds and then will go off. So that's going to be something you just have to learn, and in daylight you're not going to need it. It's mainly if you're doing some grilling at night. You can angle that probe. I've got it straight out just to make it easier to kind of see one way of using it, and there are 2 magnets on the back so you can put up on anything metal just to have it out of the way. Reason number 3, I guess technically reason 4, because I already gave you a 3rd reason without realizing it. It's accurate to within 0.9 degrees. Now here's where that becomes important. Really within a degree or so, you're gonna be just fine. But if you have certain recipes or certain ways of cooking where the temperature that you're cooking at becomes important, because if it varies ever so slightly, and I remember the early days of slide film processing, sometimes you were only allowed half a degree variance. So knowing how accurate this is going to let you know how much variance that it may be off. And if you're really concerned about how much it may drift, go get a second one of these and you can compare the 2, because I would expect there to be a little difference just because of manufacturing and whatnot. But anyway, if you grill a lot or you cook a lot and you want to make sure things are really done to the safe temperatures, get this ThermoPro today, and I think you'll be very happy with it.